time. Tutorials.
That's the LED bulb. That's the HID light. That's the regular bulb right there, and that's the HID bulb. Okay, so I'm gonna try to install these LED bulbs here. That's what they look like right there. So that's basically what the LED bulb looks like. Here's the bulb right there. We'll push down on the back of the clip, and then we'll pull on the cord right there. And this is just turns lefty-loosey. So right there, we just turned it. See, there's the locking mechanism. And when we pull this out, we'll pull it out slowly and make sure we don't get the bulb damaged or dirty, but that would be your high beam, low beam bulb. So here's our LED bulb, and let's go ahead and see if we can shove it in with no issues and turn it and have it work. So we'll stick it in, make sure nothing gets touched. I don't want the LEDs to get water on them. I don't want to get grease on it, because when it heats up, it may fry. So we'll stick it in like that. We'll find where everything connects here. So there we go. See right there? See those tabs? They just fit right in there. And I'll turn it righty-tighty. Okay, so that's connected and in. And I'll do this with one hand. Okay. Right there, connecting it in. Okay, there was a click. Now let's see how it compares to the HID bulb. That's the LED bulb. That's the HID light. Okay, not bad. I'm kind of digging that. And we're gonna go ahead and disassemble this section right here so we can get to that bulb. We need to get this panel off. That's the only thing we need to get off. Clip, clip, right here, and then it lifts up and back. Now if you guys are doing anything with the cars, anything ever, you usually want to have these little plastic trim type pieces. This helps you do things without scratching, and well, you know, sometimes metal's not called for, and really you just want some plastic to lift up some tabs. So you got this 1, 2 tabs right here. So maybe we just stick it under there and lift up. So I've loosened that a little bit, so now I can maybe get that under. There we go. Just slide it in there like that. We'll just lift up like that. Now we can see what my setup was for these HIDs over here. I just did zip ties because I knew I was going to take these off and I didn't want to bear into the metal. So let's go ahead and remove this HID bulb, stick in an LED bulb, and see how we like the LEDs. So with one hand, I'm going to cut these zip ties here. And I did multiple zip ties because I didn't want this to break and then have it fall. I wanted a backup, a little redundancy. Okay, so now that's disconnected. And we're revealing my shoddy job here. And that is what we're looking at when we talk about an HID bulb. That's basically what you have for an HID setup. You got your HID bulb, you've got your whatever that box is. It's a slim digital ballast for HID xenon bulb. What's that? Don't know what it does, don't care. Now here's the other LED bulb, and the installation for this is the same as the installation for a regular bulb. And these are cheap, these are 25, 30 bucks or something. It's a little tight, it's not too tight. Okay, I heard a click. The cord is not in any danger of getting caught on anything. So there's the cord. Let's see how these actually work. I think those are pretty sweet. Okay, well, check you later. Garth Vapor out.